Hope they don't play any copyright music. This kind of sucks. Ew. It sucks. The fact that I only have one angle. I can't. This is. Oh, here we go. Alright. There we go. I have to like. Or I just. Okay, so I maneuver like this. And, I kind of want to join in on the fun. I want to be on External Worship's team. Die, noob! Get noob. Me, I'm pro. Oh shoot, he killed me, nice. I want to play Arsenal too. 360 no scope noob. Ha ha. Ha ha. Get noob. Okay, he's gonna be here somewhere. Get noob. Get noob. Get noob. Get noob. Get noob. Get noob. Oh. This game is pretty fun, not gonna lie. Fun game. There goes Sebi. Oh, how many cherries I shard for? He getting all these OP. I think they're just like practicing right now. Come on, could you guys like start? Also, I'm gonna go in there and I'm gonna start wrecking all you noobs. Bro, me, I'm pro. Fortnite Chug Jug. Alright, he's gotta be here somewhere. I got 2 eliminations. It's a tag team! Oh shoot. Robux. Give me AK-47! I need a med pack. Oof. Oof! Wait, who joined? Yes! Abroad. Oof. Spectate, please. Or I'm gonna keep spawn killing you, you noob. Is there spawn protection in this game? I feel like there is. Ah! Not fair! Did I just lose my kill streak? That sucks. Tag team. Robux. Alright, I got the Tommy gun. I like this gun. Yoink. Spawn protection sucks. Then again, it could affect. Gotta kill the fat ones. Oh, boing. Ooh, okay, I see where this man's is hiding. Dang it. Alright, I see where this man's is. I see where this man's is. I see where this man's is. I'm finna get this boy. Yoink. Bravo 6 going dark. Oh, I shot my head off. Hope this is family friendly, because if it's not, it would suck. Oof. I like how you just don't downgrade me too much. I'm gonna lose this gun. Alright, I have to like get the heads up on him. I have to be like, I feel like this tactical shotgun sucks. Sucks, bro. It sucks. So he spawns up here, so I have to find a way to get up there. Okay, here we go. It's spawn kill time. Right. Spawntacular. This man is really thinking to defeat me with a pump shotgun. Robux. This game's actually fun. This game is fun. It's like the Roblox Call of Duty. Let me know if you guys want me to play more play more games like this, because this is like next level Phantom Forces, no lie. Oh, kill him. Oh, I think it just exploded by itself. Alright. It's kind of a downgrade, but it's all good. It's all good. I wanna come from up top. My kill streak went down. How does that even happen? I need to learn stuff about this game. What the heck was that? Dang, he's not. Bro, who is joining? Ooh, I like this one. And there's on my team.